Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel once again. This is from Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Jake TV, ang daddy ng bayan. And for this tutorial naman, tuturuan ko naman po kayo on how are you going to set up your credit wallet in your back office. Yes, you heard it right. So, set up naman po ng credit wallet natin sa back office po natin ang ituturo ko po sa inyo. Okay. But before we dive into that demonstrations or for the video, gusto ko lang pong malaman nyo na kailangan po kasi natin na i-set up yung ating credit wallet para sa mga upcoming income po natin with Live Good. Saan po natin magagamit yung credit wallet? On registering our new affiliates, on buying products, on renewal of our subscription, and marami pa pong purpose po yan. So, since we are just starting to live good, at hindi pa naman ganon kalaki yung ating kinikita. What I mean is, hindi pa tulad ng ating mga grand uplines na talagang they are generating millions of income buwan-buwan na kahit kasi simula pa lang po nila nung January, pero ang lalaki na po, talagang malalaking malaki na thousands of pesos, millions of pesos na kinikita nila. So, for us na nagsisimula pa lang, all we need to do is to set up our back office wallet para pagpasok po ng commission po natin, automatically, doon po yun mapupunta sa ating credit wallet. So, ngayon, ilalagay ko lang po muna yung aking video at ay yung camera dito sa baba. Liliitan lang po natin. So, same process pa rin. Punta po tayo sa ating browser, www.livegood.com slash login. Okay, so pareho lang, cellphone o laptop ang ginagamit natin, pareho lang. So, login. So, as new affiliate of a Live Good, it must, upon signing in, kaya nga kasama po doon sa ating familiarizing of the back office informations and functions, yung ma-familiarize po natin, malaman natin kung para saan yung laman ng ating back office. So for now, mag-set up po tayo ng ating Live Good wallet account. So punta pa rin tayo sa aking account. Yan. So Jericho Irinco, welcome of course. Then punta po tayo dito sa My Earnings. Again, My Earnings at ang ating tutorial ngayon is pag-set up ng ating credit wallet and our back office. Okay? So, pagka-click nyo po dyan, kung bago ka pa lang, hindi nyo pa po ito makikita ang credit wallet icon na to. Wala pa po ito. So, as new, wala pa yan. That's why, ang gagawin po natin ngayon is, ito po ang i-click natin. Transfer commission to credit wallet para ma-set up natin yung credit wallet natin sa ating back office. Again, linawin ko lang po habang maliit pa lang po yung kinikita natin, we can put in our commissions muna and our credit wallet para may nagagamit po tayo sa renewal ng ating subscription, sa registration ng ating mga new affiliate na walang means to lock in their position. Ibig sabihin, walang credit card, walang debit card, walang ID, or nasa ibang bansa, especially yung mga OFW. Those are the priorities na kailangan nating tulungan, ma-assist natin na ma-lock in yung mga position po nila using the credit wallet. Again, so turuan po natin ang lahat ng ating business partners to set up our back office into credit wallet. So, pag malaki ng income po natin, ito na po ang isi-set up natin. Select your payment option. So, ibang usapan po yan, ibang video tutorial po yan. So, for now, focus po muna tayo sa pag-set up ng credit wallet natin on our back office. So, ito na siya. Pindutin po natin tong transfer commission to credit wallet. Then, in here, transfer commission to credit wallet, again, Live Good gives you. Pwede nyo po yung basahin and everything para malino po sa inyo. And you can go here down and transfer from commission to credit wallet. So ito yung pinakababa. I would like to credit all of my earnings to my credit wallet account. So ito po yung i-deduct po natin. Kailangan naka-check po yan. Then click save. Then after yung maklik ang save nyo, you can click the continue. On the next cut-off, pagpasok po ng commission nyo po, magkakaroon na po kayo ng credit wallet icon at makikita nyo na po dyan kung magkano yung kinita nyo. Alright? So again, this video presentation is about on how to set up your credit wallet. Ito na, lumabas na yung icon natin kasi nakapag-set up na tayo before. Live Good pays commission every Thursday. So mamayang gabi po nito, for sure, may papasok na naman po tayo mga dollars. And again, we are working this Live Good right at the comfort of our home. That's why sobrang nakakataba, nakakalalong nakaka-inspire because this is an equal opportunity wherein marami ho talaga tayo ditong matutulungan, not only with our family but all the people that we want to help. Kasi ho, this is an equal opportunity. All races of alive, pwede pong pumasok ho, maging partners natin dito sa Live Good. Again, this tutorial is focused on set up ng ating credit wallet and our back office. So, once again, this is Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Jig TV, ang daddy ng bayan. Bye everyone and God bless.